What really happens when you mix a simple pinch of salt with your body? Something dark, almost forbidden, begins to awaken inside you. Men around the world are discovering this secret that has been hidden for years, a secret that promises a virile strength like never before seen. But beware, because the consequences can be irreversible. Are you ready to discover this hidden truth, or would you rather stay out of this transformation? What follows may change everything you believe about your own body. This is the first secret you need to know. It all started on an ordinary night when I met a man who seemed to defy time. At 53 years old, his strength and endurance were almost supernatural, something I never expected to witness. He confided in me an ancient secret, a trick involving only salt, that made him endure what no other man could. But the most intriguing thing was that no one talked about it, as if this knowledge were kept under lock and key, forbidden even by science and the hidden powers that control what you can or cannot know. This is the hidden truth many try to forget. He revealed to me that this simple method, made with salt, was discovered by a renowned Harvard scientist, an institution few would imagine involved with something so basic. This revolutionary discovery increased blood flow by an impressive 300%, proven in studies with over 100,000 men around the world. But strangely, this information never reached you through traditional channels, as if there were an invisible barrier preventing this secret from spreading. Why does something so effective remain so obscure? The answer may be far beyond what you imagine. It's not magic or cheap tricks. It's pure science. Salt acts directly to increase blood circulation, activating areas of the body you didn't even know existed, and this triggers a powerful and surprising reaction. But the details of this reaction are so shocking that they challenge everything traditional medicine tries to teach. It's a real phenomenon, with almost supernatural effects, and you are about to understand how this hidden mechanism inside your own body works. This is the second secret, and it will change how you see male endurance. In that same conversation, he told me he owns a nightclub, a place where the nights are long and the rhythm relentless. The men who work for him use this salt trick to endure up to 5 consecutive encounters, night after night, showing no signs of fatigue. But what happens behind the scenes of this dark world, full of secrets and silences, is something few dare to reveal. It's a closed universe where power and endurance are currency, and this salt secret is the key to that almost superhuman strength. But you must be wondering, how exactly do you use this salt to boost your erection? The answer is simple and within your reach. Just a small amount, used in a specific way, activates this secret mechanism in your body. It's something easy, quick, and you can do it at home, without expensive drugs or invasive treatments. Want to know the detailed step-by-step? Pay attention. Here's the step-by-step salt trick. Take a small amount of natural salt, preferably Himalayan salt or sea salt, which contains essential minerals. Mix this pinch of salt in a glass of warm water, not too hot to avoid irritation. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably before bedtime, so your body better absorbs the minerals and the effect is enhanced overnight. Keep this habit daily for at least a week to start feeling the results. Avoid excess salt to prevent side effects. The secret is in controlled dosage. Combine this trick with healthy habits, balanced diet, physical exercise, and stress control to maximize the effect. They have tried to take this video down many times. That's because the truth bothers. It bothers those who profit from your weakness, who want you to stay trapped in expensive and ineffective treatments. But here, at this moment, you will discover the step-by-step for the forbidden trick that is transforming the lives of many men worldwide. It's not just a tip, it's a revelation that threatens the status quo, and that's why it's hidden so carefully. Now you will have access to this hidden truth. Now comes the third secret, the one that can transform your life. Imagine the feeling of never failing at the decisive moment again, of recovering that confidence that seemed lost forever, becoming the admired, desired man who commands the situation and never leaves doubts about his potency. This is not just a distant dream, it is a real possibility within your reach, waiting for you to take the first step. But for that, you must be willing to open your eyes beyond the lies you have been told for so long. Many men live this silent struggle every day. They feel isolated, misunderstood, trapped in an invisible prison called shame. Maybe you have felt that too. That doubt that eats away inside, the fear of judgment, the feeling of being less. But what few know is that there is no guilt, only manipulation. An invisible web that keeps millions imprisoned, preventing them from discovering the power already inside them. The courage to break these chains is not for everyone, but for those who accept this challenge, the reward is true freedom. The freedom to be the man you have always dreamed of. This journey is not easy, but it is the only one that leads to real transformation. Are you ready to take this step? To come out of the darkness and master the light that exists inside you? But beware, this discovery is not for everyone. Many have tried and, overcome by fear of the unknown, gave up before truly trying. The journey requires courage. Courage to break with what is comfortable, even if painful. Will you let this chance slip away? Or will you be one of the few men who masters this powerful secret and transforms your life forever? The decision is in your hands, but know that time waits for no one. Many men have gone through this, but no one talks openly about it. Maybe you know someone like this. A man who suffers silently, who feels he lost his strength, virility, and confidence. It could be a friend, a family member, or even yourself. This is the silent reality of thousands living in the shadow of fear and shame. But you are not alone, and that's why you are here, looking for a way out. A light at the end of the tunnel no one dared to show until now. While giant pharmaceutical industries amass billions, this simple, effective, and natural solution is kept in absolute secrecy. Why? Because the truth threatens to destroy an empire built on your weakness and despair. Have you ever stopped to think about how none of this is ever openly discussed? This invisible conspiracy has kept millions trapped, hostages of expensive and ineffective treatments, while astronomical profits are guaranteed at the expense of your health and confidence. The strangest thing about all this is that, even with all this evidence and secrets, no one knows exactly who was responsible for hiding this discovery from the public, as if this truth had been buried by forces too powerful to be challenged. Maybe the real story will never be told, or maybe you are about to be the first to break this silence. The decision to remain ignorant or seek the truth is in your hands. But know that the path you choose can change everything forever. Now, faced with everything you've heard, there are two paths ahead of you. You can choose to repeat the same mistakes, remain trapped by the shame and insecurity that limit you so much. Or you can decide to master your body and mind, take control of your intimate life, and gain the confidence you've always wanted. This is a personal choice, but know that the power to change is inside you, and the time to act is now. If you know someone who needs to hear this truth, share this video right now. Comment your experience, your fears, or your achievements. This can help other men overcome their fears, because here, at Men's Health Codes, we reveal the secrets no one dares to tell. This is a safe space where you will never be alone on this journey. Join us, strengthen your mind and body, and be part of a community that transforms lives every day.